In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Gmail for emails by sender, step by step. If you've ever spent time scrolling through your inbox trying to find a specific message, this simple approach will save you a lot of time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up every email that came from a particular person or organization, using a quick search command built right into Gmail. First, open Gmail. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or in the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. The process is the same. At the very top of Gmail, you'll see a search bar. This is where all the magic happens. Click or tap in that bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now, type the word from, immediately followed by a colon, and then type the sender's email address. It should look like this in your search bar. From, the sender's email address. There are no spaces between the word, the colon, and the email address. Spelling matters here, so take a second to make sure everything is correct. The search is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry about capital letters. As you type, Gmail often suggests matching contacts. That's helpful because it can auto-complete the address and reduce typos, which makes your results more accurate. After entering the address, press Enter or Return. The results will update to show only the conversations where that address appears in the From field. In other words, you'll be looking at a focused view of messages from that specific sender, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to locate an invoice, a receipt, a confirmation, or any important note you know came from one place. You can open any email in the list to read it, download attachments, or reply as usual. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you're not sure of the exact address, start typing the name as you remember it. Gmail suggestions can help you land on the correct sender. If you don't get the results you expect, double check for extra spaces around the colon or a misspelled address and try again. Remember, keep personal details private. Don't read out or share anyone's email address unnecessarily. And that's really it. Open Gmail, use the search bar, type from followed by a colon and the sender's address, and your inbox instantly narrows to just what you need. Simple, fast, and reliable.